The Edge, 12,000 pound winch for a mean mother. A winch that inspires confidence. I've had this winch on my vehicle for almost 6 months now. During that period it has gotten me out of some sticky and steep situations. With the pressed 3-stage planetary gearbox and the 4.8 horsepower series wound motor, I know that this winch will get me out of trouble every time I need it. For a 12,000 pound winch, it is much quieter in operation than the cheaper winches that I have personally seen. Unfortunately, when I have needed it, getting the camera out was not high on my priority list. However, I have staged these pulls to demonstrate the winch in action. I mounted the control box on the front of my bull bar to provide fast and easy access for the hand controller. A wireless upgrade kit is available for a small extra fee, however nothing beats the reliability of a wired connection. The hand controller is easy to use from inside your vehicle or from in front of your vehicle for respooling. In my opinion, this winch is fantastic value for money and has given me the reliability I need to tackle more challenging tracks. With a few simple twists, you can unscrew the hand controller, replace the dust cap and get back on the track.